Hi everyone, let's see how you can remove highlighted text from a Word document. Simply select the highlighted text and you'll see the mini toolbar. Simply select the color option and set it to no color. You can also do the same from the toolbar here. In the next method, select the highlighted text. Right click over the text and click on cut. Now in the top left hand corner, click on this option and select keep text only and the highlighted color will be gone. The third method, go to file, then go to options. From here go to display and you'll get an option show highlighter marks. Simply uncheck it, save the change and the highlighted part will be gone. In the final method, select the highlighted text part. Then go to the design tab. From here go to page border. Then click on shading. In the fill section make sure no color is selected. Then click here and choose text and save the change, and this should remove the highlights. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.